Oh, yes, I forgot my jersey.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I saw it yesterday, but I didn't know the owner.
It was fine. You see, it was hot yesterday when I took it off.
Even me, I was sweating too much.
Now,
The time I was finishing that bath.
this morning I wanted to put it. So I remember that I forgot.
But semester, you and me will have to start here before you go there.
What?
I want us to put this valve of 200 so that those two flanges, I will remain welding them when I finish this bath. You see? Because if you go there now on that machine, I've got only 3 baths here. You see? I will finish them now. So better we cut the way you mark it yesterday. You see?
That thing, it won't take 6 minutes for me.
To put it.
That thing.
Oh, so you want me to finish this one and then we'll go
Morning,
there.
how are you?
Morning, guys. How's it?
Right.
You see?
You see, yeah, we already marked. Just need to cut.
Okay, so I can cut it or I carry on welding.
No, you weld after.
Yeah.
After.
Or when I finish the welding.
The welding, we can start
And
to
then-
cut here. In the meantime, I'll be coming to take these 2 flanges.
Okay. Okay, then it's.
We start to put the sockets.
Yeah, but there is too much sockets, honest.
Yeah.
Too much socket.
Yeah, it's too much.
Yeah.
That's not it's not my fault. Remember, they stopped us.
Yeah.
They came with the plenty stores, this and that.
At least we try our best to push.
What?
I said we try our best to push.
We did our
We
best.
did our best because these are the last welding. This one and that small machine. The remaining one will be only socket.
You see, their problem is they want to put the water. But me, it's fastened. I cannot put the water in those kind of brackets. You see?
Yeah.
The way pipes are sitting.
The weight of pipe plus the weight of water. You're gonna fall this thing.
Yeah, it will collapse.
And we did not even drill them yet to put them on position, proper position.
It's not a big issue. The problem
You
is,
see.
you see,
And I don't trust this bracket. I'm telling you.
we need to put them on.
I'm telling you. These people, they are just doing things anyhow. It's my first time to see a site with this kind of bracket. This one is a heat exchange. It's connected.